Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a something video. I'm gonna be about slime. So I was cleaning it because I was trying it out. So let's try it out again so you guys can see. Hello. This is gonna take a long time. Let me wash my hand. I'm a lion cub. I'm a meow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I think Mom's gonna be with me. I'm gonna show you the soaps later, but I need to do this more quick. Oh shit. That didn't go nothing. It's getting sticky. It's getting a spanking. If you know what I mean. This is what makes it extra sticky. So my gel, yeah, this is gonna make it extra sticky. Oh no, this is purple. I don't need purple. I got a lot of this stuff. Oh. $7 for this. Man. No. I know Carter Bar because that's all I know. Oh no, it's only been 6 minutes. Who's blocking me? Oh! I did wrong. Oh, my birds. Oh, where did it go? Oh! 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 No, I'll just be. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. So I'll put more soap on this one. I think this is the one that gives me the sticky. You see that bubble? Pop that shit. Tell you I would make it gone. Yep, that's how I'm gonna make my videos now. Surprise, motherfucker. Y'all be